Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to continue our functional budget problems with direct labor budget today. And so far, we have completed sales budget. As we completed sales budget, and then production budget, and then raw materials budget. And today we are here with direct labor budget, and the subsequent concept that comes around us is production overhead budget. So today our plan is to complete these two problems. This is one major problem from management accounting budget chapter, and let's get into the problem. Okay, what they are saying. Okay, a factory works 8 hours a day. Okay, 6 days a week. Okay, and budget period is 1 year, so 52 weeks. Okay, and during each quarter, loss hours due to leave, holidays, and other causes are estimated to be 124 hours. Okay, every quarters they are estimating 124 hours of loss hours. So just we'll try to convert this into hours, number of working hours in a year. Okay, 8 hours into 6 days into 52, which comes around 246 so 2496 hours in a year. Okay, and then last hour, which is 124 hours into 4 quarters. Okay, 4 quarters year, 124 into 4, which comes around 496 hours. 2000 hours is the effective working hours. Okay, so we found out the effective working hours now, and then further informations were given us that direct labor per unit in department P and department Q. Product A, in department A, product A takes 2 hours, and every hours cost around rupees 1, and in product B in P department takes 1 hour to production, 1 hours for production, and every hour consumes rupees 2. And the product A in department Q takes 1 hour, and it costs around rupees 3, and the product B in department Q takes 1 hour, and it costs around 3 rupees, and product A is produced 10,000 units, and product B produced 4,000 units. Okay, prepare manpower budget, so simply labor budget showing direct laborers. That's some ultimate motive of labor budget. We are going to plan how much hours we are going to spend, and how much labors we need, and what's the labor cost. These are the three main motives of labor budget. Okay, let's prepare. Okay, then with the given information, let's prepare the statement of manpower budget. Okay, statement of manpower budget. Okay, product A, department P, department Q. Okay, product A and product B. Okay, let's split up for all other information, so to cover all informations. Okay, okay, now there are 20,000 units of 20,000 units of product A produced, and 4,000 units of product B produced, and okay, hour per unit, total hours, rate per unit, total rate. Okay, this is our split. Okay, hour per unit, total hours, rate per unit, total total amount. Okay, what are all information we are given with? Okay, every product A takes 2 hours, and product B takes 1 hour in P department. Okay, right? In Q department, product B takes 1 hour, and product A takes 1 hour, and product B also takes 1 hour. Okay, what else information we have? We are given with uh, product A costs 1 rupee to department P, and rupee 3 to de- 1 minute, 2 hours, and it takes product B takes 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour and 1 hour. Okay, and then okay, right. Product A costs around 1 rupee for department P, and 3 rupee for department 3 rupee in department Q, and then product B costs rupees 2 for department P, and rupee 3 for department Q. Okay, so just we have plugged the figures which were given in the question. Let's total it up, and we'll find the total hours and the total cost. Okay, so 20,000 into 12, so it's 40,000 hours and 4,000 hours. Okay, so total hours spent, total hours worked by department P is 44,000 hours, and it costs 40,000, 8,000 rupees, 48,000. Okay, then total hours for 20,000 units is 20,000 hours, and total hours taken by product B is 4,000 hours. Okay, and then it takes 60,000 rupees. Guys, we made a mistake that this is 10,000 units, so we have to change it. We made it as 20,000 units. So if it is a 10,000 units, this would be 20,000 hours, and this would be 20,000 rupees, right? And this would be 10,000 hours, and this would be 30,000 rupees. Okay, 4,000 units, right? It's right, and 4,000 hours, which is 12,000 rupees total. They are spending 42,000 rupees in department Q, and 14,000 hours they have spent. So for the 24 for the 14,000 hours spent in department Q, they have spent rupees 42,000 in department Q, and 44,000, and here it is 24,000 hours. Okay, for the 24,000 hours they spent, they actually costed rupees this they faced the cost of rupees 48,000. Okay, so we found the cost which comes around, I think, 90,000 rupees. So total labor cost is 90,000 rupees. So how, and they have also asked for the number of workers. Okay, to find the number of workers, we have to divide this value with total effective hours. Okay, 2000 hours and 2000 hours. Okay, number of workers required, which is 12 workers, and 12 workers in department P and 7 workers in department Q required by the organization. So this is the problem. The answer which we need is 24,000 hours and cost for rupees 48,000. Sorry, this is 28,000. Yeah, forget to change these things. Okay, since we made the mistake of 20,000 units, after we change that to 10,000 units, we have faced some changes in the problem. So other than that, the concept is same. The things would be what I wanted to convey, what I wanted to convey is same. Simple things. This is the structure. If they plug the figures into the structure, we can easily derive the answers for any kind of questions. So this is a structure, and let's follow this structure anywhere if it is asked. Okay, and okay, let's go to the, I hope you guys have understood this problem. Let's go to the next problem. Okay, which is production overhead budget. This production overhead budget is most likely most likely in the way of working out the problems. It looks familiar to the flexible budget, because we are not preparing any budget here, because we are not preparing any functional budget here. This is we are like they have given some values for some production units. We are flexing that budgeted units to an desired unit level. So these are all our budgeted unit level. These are all the budgeted unit level. We are flexing this budget to this 80,000 unit level. Okay, this is what we are going to do with this problem. So what are the things given here is, the budget manager is preparing a budget for the accounting year starting from 1st April 2022. As part of the budget operations, some items of the factory overheads have been estimated. So they have estimated all these, and they are flexing this budgeted unit cost to another unit level, desired unit level, which is 80,000 units. Okay, and volume of production for 60,000 units, they have given expenses for say expenses at 60,000 units level, and the expenses given for 75,000 units level, and we are going to prepare it for 80,000 units. This is what we are going to find out with this problem. Okay, let's get into the problem. Things what they have given is particulars. Okay, let's make it as expenses. Okay, expenses. What's the nature of expenses? Whether it is fixed cost or variable cost, because that's in the factory overhead itself, there might be some production, there might be some fixed cost, there might be some variable cost, or that's some of the cost might be semi variable cost. So we have to segregate all those, and we have to keep it clear for the 80,000 units to be easily find out the entire production overhead budget. Okay, for the 80,000 units level. Okay, if they are actually given for 60,000 units, right? 60,000 units, 75,000 units. Let's flex it to 80,000 units. Okay, in rupees in total, sorry, rupees in units, rupees in total, rupees in units, rupees in total. Okay, rupees in units, rupees in total. Okay, okay, actually we don't need we only need total for 80,000 units. We don't need any per unit value for 80,000 units. Okay, okay, let's start. Okay, first expense what they have given is, okay, we can by seeing the table itself we can understand that these are all not same. There might be a chance of variable cost. Okay, these are not same. The This is also the total not same, total not same, but these total is same, so this might be the fixed cost. So okay, we'll plug the figures later on. Okay, first we'll go to indirect materials. Okay, indirect materials, which is 1,32,000 and 1,65,000. Okay, indirect labor, which is 75,000 and then 93,750. Okay, maintenance, which is 44,000 and 42,000 and then 51,000. Then supervision, which will be 99,000 and then 1,70,000 for 75,000 unit level. Okay, and then engineering services, which is 47,000 and then 47,000. This is most probably this will be fixed cost because the total is same, so we can plug this figure as it is to 80,000 unit level also. Okay, so we found one cost which is fixed. Okay, next, what's the changes? What would be the changes? Wait. Okay, for the clear picture, I've drawn a lines here. Okay, yes. Okay, first, okay, if the first indirect material cost is for 60,000 units, is 1,32,000 divisible by 60,000, which is 2.2. Okay, 2.2. Okay, then 165,000 divisible by 75,000, which is also 2.2. Then this is variable cost, so indirect material is variable cost, so we fill that variable cost value in variable cost in nature column. Okay, 2.2 as it is. Okay, let's find it out for indirect labor. For indirect labor, 75,000 divisible by 60,000 units, which is 1.25, and then 93,750 divisible by 75,000, which is 1.25. Okay, this is also variable cost because cost per unit is same. Okay, cost per unit is same, so this is also variable cost. Then 42,000 divisible by 60,000 units, which is 0.7. Then 51,000 divisible by 75,000, which is 0.68. So this is neither fixed cost and nor variable cost, so this is semi variable cost. We need to find out the variable cost and fixed cost which is hiding behind this value. Okay, maintenance is semi variable cost. Okay, let's take a weapon of delta values, which is delta amount. Okay, delta cost divisible by delta units, which is change in cost divisible by change in units, which states that 42,000, which is 51,000 minus 42,000 divisible by 75,000 minus 60,000. So 9,000 divisible by 15,000, which is 0.6 per unit, rupees 0.6 per unit. Okay, this is variable cost. Okay, what about the fixed cost? Let's take one unit level, which is 60,000, right? 60,000 units. Okay, let's take 42,000, which is the total cost, minus 60,000 units into 0.6, which is 36,000. Rupees 6,000. Okay, so 6,000 is the fixed cost and 0.6 is the variable cost. So these values are not variable. These values are not variable cost. Okay, and then let's find the same for supervision also. Supervision cost also 99,000 divisible by 60,000 units, which is 1.65, and then 117,000 divisible by 75,000, which is 1.56. This is also not same, so there might be a chance of semi-variable cost. So let's prepare the working note for supervision. Okay, semi-variable cost. Okay, variable cost per unit, which is delta cost divisible by delta units. Okay, changing cost, which is 99,000 minus, okay, for probably be 18,000 divisible by 15,000. So 18,000 divisible by 15,000, which is rupees 1.2 per unit, and then fixed cost is equal to, take any one's value, which is, okay, let's take 99,000 minus 60,000 into 60,000 into 1.2, which is 72,000. Okay, 99,000 minus 72,000, which is 27,000, is the fixed cost. Okay, then 27,000 is the fixed cost value and 1.2 is the variable cost value. Okay, we found all the things that which we have needed to calculate this 80,000 units cost. So just let's flex the values to 8,000 units. So 2.2 into 80,000, which is 80,000 units, which is 1,76,000. Okay, then 1.25 units into 80,000 units, which is 1 lakh rupees, and then 0.6 into 80,000 units plus 6,000, which is 0.6 into 80,000 plus 6,000, which is 54,000, and then 1.2 into 80,000 plus 27,000, which is 1.2 into 80,000 plus 27,000, which is 1,23,000. So this is the way we have to find the budget for 80,000 units. So let's total it up and find the total budget of for 80,000 units. So 1,23,000 and 47,000, which comes around 5 lakhs. Okay, see budget for 75,000 units, which is 1,65,000 plus 93,750 plus 51,000 plus 11 plus 47,000, which is 4 lakh. Yeah, yes, yes. Okay, 4 lakh 73,750. Okay, and for 60,000 units, this is the amount is 3,95,000. So this is how, guys, we have to find out the values for production budget, and this is how we need to flex the values to other unit level. So tomorrow we'll see another one problem from this budget continuation. So thanks.